Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos, and in this video tutorial we have to evaluate the sum of this expression. So let's keep watching. I'm going to solve it for you. So the trick is here, 1/3 into 1 times 3, okay, and then 15 can be write as 1/3 times 5 plus, and here we got 35 could be written as 5 times 7, and it keep going like this. And then 9,999 could be written as 99 times 101. Okay, so the next trick is that we have to know that we have to break each fraction here could be written as 3 minus 1/1 times 3. So let's give a look at the numerator here. So we got 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So then how to make it equivalent to the first fraction? So then we have to multiply with 1.5, okay, and then plus. So the second fraction also multiply with 1/2, and we take 5 minus 3/3 times 5, and we keep doing like this. 1/2 times 7 minus 5/5 times 7, and then plus dot until 1/2 times 101 minus 99/99 times 101. And then we can take 1/2 in common. Then we will get 1/2. And then 5 minus 3/3 times 5. 7 minus 5/5 times 7. 101 minus 99/99 times 101. Okay, so then 1.5 factors. So then now we have to separate this fraction. So then we will get 1/1 minus 1/3, okay, and then plus. And this fraction also have to separate and simplify. Then we will get 1/3 and then minus 1/5, and we keep doing this still the same, and then we will get 1/5 minus 1/7, and then plus, and then keep going, plus dot plus. Then we will get 1/99 minus 1/101. Okay, so let's give a look at this fraction. We have negative sign and positive sign can simplify with each other, okay, and then here is also the same. We keep cancelling out, okay, and then until with the final one is here, okay. So then we will have the final answer 1/2 factor with 1 minus 1/101, okay, then 1/2, and then we will get 101 minus 1/101, and then 1/2 times with 100/101, and then we simplify 100 with 2 here, and then we will get 50/101. So that is the answer of the sum of this expression. So finally we have solved this question, and I hope you can understand. If you have any question, please comment, and goodbye. See you in the next video.